Hi everyone, hope you're all doing really great. Today I would like to talk about the conversation happening for the introverts. You must have heard this word introvert. Introverts are people who like to engage in a conversation but not like in a full manner, or like they tend to have one-on-one conversation, and they prefer limited access to a group, and they do not want a loud large audience for themselves. They tend to be quiet, calm, and to themselves. So I think, how do these people create or have a conversation and feel comfortable while having a conversation? I think it's very important, being an introvert, where you need to express your thoughts properly without having a burden, or without feeling uh, this feeling that you are giving something too much out there which you do not want to give. So I think number one tip would be to just talk to one-on-one people. You don't have to participate in a group. Just go ahead and talk to those people who are new to you. I know you're comfortable in a group where you're familiar with, but I think it's also better for you to just go out and talk to a person whom you do not know, or you want to know a certain level. So I think opening up to these new people would give you a better understanding of a conversation. Second would be to just go in a place, even you want to just be part of a conversation. You do not have to speak a lot of the time, but you can at least use fillers, where you can at least listen to someone and make sure that they are being heard. So these are the two ways where you can easily make sure that you are being heard.